NFTs are poised to explode in 2022. And with that, the business of buying and selling NFTs for maximum profit is also poised to explode. This is going to be one of the biggest online money-making opportunities in history. And the good news is it's still early enough in the game to get on this and make a bunch of money. The market is not yet saturated, but that's all going to change pretty soon. So you're in the right place. This is the video for you if you're interested in the art of flipping NFT. Now, for those of you that don't know what an NFT is, that stands for non-fungible token. It is essentially a piece of digital art that is supported on the blockchain, most of the time Ethereum and sometimes Solana. So this piece of digital art can be traced on the blockchain, and it can be traced back to you as the owner, the price you paid for it, and the original artist. In this video, I'm going to cover the basics of buying and selling NFTs. I'm also going to cover where to find upcoming projects that are promising that you can flip for maximum profit, as well as things that you should consider before investing in a particular project. And then finally, I'm going to cover mistakes that you need to avoid so you don't lose money. And there's going to be some pro tips along the way, so don't skip forward and watch until the very end. With that being said, let's just dive into my computer right now and get started. The main platform for buying and selling NFTs is a website called OpenSea, and this can be found at OpenSea.io. For now, at the time I'm making this video, OpenSea is by far the biggest and most popular marketplace to buy and sell NFTs, and this is a Ethereum blockchain supported marketplace. Like I said earlier, there are some other sites where you can purchase NFTs using Solana, but you're not going to make near as much money as dealing in NFTs with Ethereum. So that being said, the first thing you need is to buy some Ethereum. For that, I personally use Coinbase, but you can use any crypto exchange of your choosing. You just need to get started with buying Ethereum. Next, you need to download MetaMask. You can go to metamask.io and you want to download this. And this is basically where you're going to conduct your Ethereum transactions for NFTs. So once you download this, then what you want to do is we want to go back over to OpenSea. From here, you just want to connect that MetaMask account. Now, yes, we do see Coinbase here. You can connect your Coinbase account directly, but most people seem to use MetaMask because it is more secure. This is where not only you will store your Ethereum, but also any projects, any NFTs that you do buy will be stored in your MetaMask account. As far as OpenSea goes, there's nothing else you need to do. You do not need to start an OpenSea account per se. That is all your MetaMask, okay? So the MetaMask account is all you need. And to access that through OpenSea, all you need to do is click up here in the right-hand corner, and that will open up your MetaMask account. Now, when you want to add funds, you just hit add funds like this. They'll give you this address right here to copy. That's your Ethereum wallet address in MetaMask. So you'll just copy that. You'll bring that wallet address back over to whatever crypto exchange you used to purchase your Ethereum. In this case, we're using Coinbase, and there should be a send receive button no matter what exchange you used. You'll just want to select Ethereum. You'll type in the amount you want to send over. I always just hit send all. Then you'll paste that MetaMask wallet address right here and hit continue, and then it will prompt you to hit send. You'll do that. You wait about 5 minutes usually, and it should appear back over here in your MetaMask wallet by that time. Usually it takes, with MetaMask, from Coinbase to MetaMask, less than a minute. It can take up to 10 minutes depending on network congestion. So real quickly, I'm just going to take you through the process of purchasing an NFT. It's very simple. To find a project to invest in, you can either type the name of the project in up here, or you can hit explore and then maybe go to new and then find some projects here. However, this is not the best way to find valuable projects to invest in. I will get to that shortly. But if you just want to purchase one, let me just run you through that process real quick. So I'm going to use Baby Ape Mutant Club as an example. This is a project that I have personally invested in. The first term you need to know is the floor price, and you can find that right here. The floor price means, and this is in Ethereum, this is the absolute cheapest that you can buy a piece from this project from. So 0.021 Ethereum is the cheapest, the floor price. And I suggest that you only purchase pieces at the floor price, because your goal is to purchase it at this price and then hope relatively soon the floor price rises and you can resell for a profit. So if I wanted to buy one of these pieces, all I would do is hit buy now right here. Then I would click on the cheapest one I see, and right away I can see here's the floor price, 0.021, but the second this one sells, the floor price is going to rise immediately to 0.0235. So if I wanted to buy this, I would just hit buy now right here, and this will come up. And then we can see that at the time of this recording, the price for this would be $67.57. Now, something very important is coming up, so pay attention. We're going to hit buy now, okay? Then we're going to check this box and then confirm checkout. Now, this should bring up my MetaMask wallet. My MetaMask wallet should automatically open up, and here it comes. Now, right now, this is saying insufficient funds because I don't have enough Ethereum sitting in my MetaMask wallet to complete this transaction, and that's because of this right here, the gas fee. Okay, we can see that the gas fee, and this will change kind of by the second, but right now, the gas fee means processing fee. This is a fee you are paying to let this transaction go through the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the gas fee is something you cannot get around. However, pro tip number one, the gas fees are always lower late at night. So I'm on the west coast of the United States. I always wait until at least 9 p.m. West Coast. If you do that, if you do these transactions, if you buy these pieces late at night, this gas fee will be pretty much cut in half. So that's what I suggest you do. Now, I'm not going to complete this transaction right now because I do not want to buy this piece, but you can see how easy it is to purchase an NFT. But you gotta always calculate in the gas fee when purchasing these. And then once you purchase a piece, you will see it located on your profile right down here at the bottom. And you can see these are all the pieces that I am currently holding at this moment. Now, I mentioned that searching for projects directly on OpenSea is not necessarily the best way to find some valuable projects to invest in. For that, there's two different websites that most people use. The first one is this, raritysniffer.com, raritysniffer.com. The other one is called rarity.tools, okay? Just type in rarity.tools. Now, what we would do here, let's say we go to Rarity Sniffer, you'd want to click on latest right here. Now, why do we use these instead of just OpenSea? Because on OpenSea, you can have a lot of what we call rug pulls. Rug pull is another term you need to know. That means somebody just off the street created a collection, listed it on OpenSea, they just want your money and no value is going to come from it. If you find a project on one of these websites, these tend to be a little more vetted. So from here, what you want to do is just find a collection that catches your eye. That is another pro tip, and this is what most people will tell you. If you wouldn't hang one of these on your wall at home, don't even bother buying it. You need to like the art first and foremost. So for this example, let's just click on Fancy Bears right here. And this is going to give us a lot of information on this collection. We can see that number one, they've done a lot of volume. Again, this is in Ethereum. They've got 7,880 pieces. I personally always try to stick with collections under 10,000 pieces. And then we've got the current floor price right here. This one's pretty expensive. This is almost a half an Ethereum, 0.4. But we can come down here, we can see a piece, and this is going to rank it by rarity. That's another term you need to know, rarity. Each collection is going to have a rarity aspect to it, meaning that out of 7,880 pieces, one's going to be more rare than the next, and that does increase the value. So if you're buying one at the floor price, chances are that is not the most rare one. But if we want to go straight to their OpenSea page here, we can just click on OpenSea right here. And then we will see that this one's going to be expensive. We probably don't want to buy this one, but we can just click right here on their title, and this will get us right back up to their home page, and we can purchase from there. Now, before purchasing any item from any projects, there's three things you need to check. Number one, their Twitter page. We want to make sure that they have a lot of followers, meaning there's a lot of hype behind the project. So we can see that this project has 35,000 followers, which is good. Oops, I clicked the wrong button there. We've got 35,000 followers here on their Twitter. Now we also want to see that the administrators of this page, they are posting, they are engaged, okay? And it looks like they are because they've just posted in the last 30 minutes. So everything looks good there. The next thing you want to check is their website, and you can find all this stuff right up here. We can go straight to their website from here. Does it look professional, or does it look like it was thrown together by some sort of amateur? This one looks pretty decent to me. The next thing we want to check is their Discord. If you're not familiar with Discord, don't worry about it. You can get there from right here, and you just want to see how many people they have following them on their Discord. And it looks like they are not going to invite me in. That's fine. I can pretty much tell that this particular project is legit because they've got a good owner to volume ratio right here, and the floor price is pretty high. That means people are buying this. The other thing you want to check is the activity. You want to come down here, you want to click on activity, and we want to see how often they are selling these. And you pretty much want at least a sale every couple minutes, and it looks like they've got that. If you look at this and it's only like one sale per hour or 2 hours, I would probably suggest staying away from this. But in general, this project looks pretty good. I'm not saying go out and buy one of these. These are expensive. This is just an example for you. And finally, I want to tell you about something you need to watch out for. And again, I've mentioned this earlier. This is called a rug pull. Now, there is a very hyped project that has yet to be released. It's called Hate Beast, okay? And they are supposed to have 10,000 pieces in their collection. Now, if something is hyped that much, then you're going to have copycats that are just going to try to throw together something similar, name it something very similar, and try to get your money. And we can see that we've got several of those right here if I type in Hate Beast. Now, I know for a fact the real Hate Beast has not even been released yet. The other red flag here is every one of these only has 46 items, 94, 42, 31. That means that somebody just quickly threw it together, listed it on OpenSea, and they're trying to get your money. And that's why I said it's better to just come to raritysniffer.com or rarity.tools.com and go from here. You can get directly to any of these projects' OpenSea pages from here. So in conclusion, make sure you do a little bit of research before purchasing anything. Check their Twitter, check their website, check their Discord, and then your goal is to buy at the floor price and relist above the floor price. You can easily make $300 to $500 per day flipping NFTs. You do need a few $100s in Ethereum to get started. That's about it. So give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.